Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. Let's find out what's in this bag. Well, it's going to be a mixed review. Get the rest of it out of here. If I can get a hold of everything. All right. This bag comes from NewCraftDay, and if I have any discount codes or if they have any specials, it should be right below here or also in the description or the description box below. Holy cow. What a day. Well, let's start with the diamond painting, and it was $2.99. Let's see if I can get it out of its bag here. All right, I am here. I had to cut the bag off. So it comes with a toolkit, wax boat, and a pin. Everything you need to start. And it's a butterfly. And it's kind of one of those stained glass things. Let me just put the beads over there. It's a 30 by 30, and it has 18 colors. I just thought this was kind of different. I wanted to see what it looks like in comparison to the, the cross-stitch ones. And for $3, you can't beat that with a stick. This is a snack one. Turn it around, see if I can get it to lay any flatter. It's going to need to be ironed. We'll get it as flat as possible here. Isn't that pretty? Just gorgeous. And they have a few of these that are in the stained glass affair. And I would just take a medium iron to that and just iron, keep moving your iron. And it should flatten right out. Or you could set it underneath a book. So, we'll see. Okay, let's take a look at the colors. They're all regular drills. I don't believe there's any special drills. Let me just, well, maybe, baby. Okay, let's do it the hard way. So we have some browns and some blue grays. Looks like 310 black. Charcoaly gray. Light gray, medium gray. We got oranges. Kind of a bluish gray. And that's kind of a medium blue. More browns. This one's kind of a chocolate. We have light yellow, kind of a rustish brown. We have some green, more green. We have light blue, and we have pale light blue, and more goldish brown. So yeah, it'll be kind of different to see how that all turns out. But I just thought it was different. So, one can never tell. Let me see if I can just do this. Do this. And just roll it, because it's not going back in that bag. I shredded that bag. Okay, just sit up there. All right, and let's take this one. You're not going to believe this, guys. You are not going to believe it. This is twice this week, all right? Okay, this one was called Flower Hut. It's a 60 by 45, $13.74. You're just not going to believe it. Get it out of the bag. Whoop. We got a spare thread. That's the least of its problems. Look what it is. Yep, it's that Flower Hut again. And yeah. I can't believe that I got this twice, and the same 2 kits that were messed up. Well, guess what? It's printed just the same as the last one. You gotta turn it this way to see it. There's nothing wrong with the pattern. I mean, as far as blotches or smears or anything like that. It's just printed sideways, and they printed the picture sideways instead of long ways. It should, I mean, they printed it long ways instead of sideways. Yeah, same thing. And all the what do you call it? The symbols are printed sideways as well. Yeah, you've seen this, so it comes with a toolkit and all the beautiful colors, all the gorgeous colors. I have not picked up the other one since I got it, but yeah, they'll be getting an email from me too. So it's evidently, you know, sometimes, now like the cat with the poppies, where the cat was laying down and had the poppy flowers all around it. It was off the grid, if you will. It wasn't printed directly on the grid of the thing. And I got it from a different company, and it was just fine. Well, there's something rotten in Denmark somewhere. And I'm not saying Denmark has anything to do with it. I'm just saying. It's a saying, guys. Yeah. Yeah. That's 2 emails I have to send out. All right, let's look at the one that hopefully everything is perfectly fine. This is called Tea Time, and it is a 36 by 44, 14 count, $8.42. I love this. They have another one. I want to say it says Cookie Time. I can't remember it, or Dessert Time or something. But I like this one. All right. It comes in the beautiful Joy Sunday bag. Beautiful. Let's take a look. Isn't that pretty? I just love the little teapot with the roses on it. Somewhere in my bag of tricks, I have a teapot. I'm never going to put hot water in it, ever. Because it's probably 80 years old if it's a day. So, you'll just have to pretend with it. But it's fair good size, but it has flowers on it. So yeah, this has cake and a coffee cup, jam and bread, hand mill to mill your coffee. It says tea time, but they have a coffee grinder. Okay, y'all are nuts. I don't get it. Okay, so you're having coffee at your tea time? Okay, Joy Sunday. Just gotta love them, right? Okay, let's carry on. Yeah, I didn't think this through too hard. Okay, so, it has 26 colors. It has full stitch and back stitch, 1 back stitch and 310 black. We have 310 black, of course. Anything else I recognize? Nope. 3865 for the white. So for the teapots and the coffee pot, I don't know. Very nice. And it is broken up into 4 different spaces. It is 160 by 200. Oh, I'm going to do this regardless of what it says. I may change the word from coffee to tea, but I don't know. Very nice. And the paper pattern will not match the canvas. The canvas has its own set of colors. Let me get the threads all out, and it's on one of those that I'm going to separate it. Has 2 needles. So they're just draped over there. So we have some gold and your 3865. Let me just get that big old hunk. There's a lot of white there. And the rest of them are laying like this. So we have pinks, bright pinks, bright pink, purple, which is not 550 purple. We have some reds. There's your 310 black. Some dark brown and that dark charcoal. I think somebody called it pewter color. Dark pewter, if I could say that word. But we got some light colors too, so very nice on the colors. Get this all together here. Let's take a look at the canvas, and it goes up and down. Yay! And looking, everything looks like it's on track. Checking. There's no what do you call it? There's not no confetti. No. It does say the product numbers and tea time here. It says tea time 2 and how big it is. Let me fold this in half. Very nice big key showing you all your symbols, but they're pretty cut and dry. In fact, the back stitching is actually going to make this, so that's why it looks so nondescript, if you will. Yeah, it'll have some back stitching. Let's see if we can measure this. All right, it is a little over 44 centimeters, or almost 17.5 inches by 14.25 inches, or 36 centimeters. The actual picture size is almost a little over 11.25. Dagnabbit, I had it. Come on, 11.25 inches, or 29 centimeters by 36.5 centimeters, or almost 14.5 inches. So you could here, there, it's a little, just a tad bit too big for 11 by 14 because things come to the edge. But yeah, it looks real simple and easy. There's lots of big areas to stitch, but it is a partial. So you don't have to do the background. You'll have to put all that stitching in there. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Get through all the other stuff. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed they put a coffee cup there. Now you could, it's not printed here, so irregardless, you could just leave that blank. Yeah, I'm looking at these dots. It must be where the, oh no, I see. It's this. I'm like, well, that's odd. And they did not print, you know, jam and bread or anything on there. Some of them, they have the back stitching printed. So yeah, that's going to be a piece of work. Okay, and that is everything that I got from NewCraftDay. Thank you, NewCraftDay. They're beautiful kits, just beautiful, and I like that diamond painting. It's nice and small and looks easy enough to do. Now, NewCraftDay does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for the 3 majors. They do not have, they may now have a Joy Sunday section because most of the stores are breaking them down to DIY, Joy Sundays, spring kits, and whatever other name brands there are. So they may have that. They have lots of tools. They even sell, you know, lamps for you to cross stitch with by, or diamond paint or whatever. And they have floor stands and lap stands. So do check them out. They always have a great variety and great prices. Like I said, if I have a discount code and or if they have any specials going on, I will put that before the video and in the description box. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.